Magandang araw po. Kami po ay nandito sa Lake County Fairgrounds. Kami po ay mag-a-adapt ng pusa para po sa aming baby. Ayan, ay pupuntahan namin ng pusa. Diyan po kami maghahanap ng pusang i-adapt. Wala sila nakuha diyan. Wala sila nakuha. Wala sila nakuha ang pusa. Ay, may nakuha na silang aso.
But like definitely no.
May aso.
Oh yeah.
Magbabayad ka. Ito yung entrance. Yan, kayo po ay mag-a-adapt. So, welcome. Ayan po siya. Hi.
Are you here for cats or dogs?
For cats.
Cats?
Yeah.
Okay, so the cats are in the very far.
Yes, dami yan. Kami po ay mag-aampun. Kaya susubi sa lamin ko, hindi ako makakita. Naghahanap ng pusa ito. Let's go! Ito ang cute niya, oh. Ay, Jana! May cute! Ah. Ay, ang cute! Ay. Ito, Jana. Halika, may cute dito, Jana. Yana, this is cute, so cute.
I know, I keep saying that. It's like they say I'm the biggest fan club.
Gusto mo siya, yun. Ang liliit niya, ang cute, oh. Tingin tayo na. Iba, ayan na. Yay! Tingin tayo doon. Tingin tayo dito, Chiana. Ay, black cat. Ito siya, nakitin siya. Yung itim ng pusa. Parang ganyan lang yung mga pusa sa atin, napakalat-kalat. No?
Sakit yan o yung mata niya, may sakit.
Oo nga, meron siya sakit sa mata. Diyan, nakamukha ng mga pusa ni Kiki Ryzen.
May sakit yan.
Kaya wag mo kunin to.
Dito, tara. Dito, marami.
Pag ganyan tayo dyan, pag ganyan. Ay, nanda. Ay, ayun na. Saan? Ay, team. Ito, brown na brown siya. Diyan na may natutulog. Ayun na. Ay, natutulog siya. Oh, amoeba. Sa Sunday. Ang pangalan niya Sunday. Ay, Jana dito, Jana. Ay, ang hingay ng mga aso. Ayan, oh. Dami. Ay, ang taba. Ay, chubby. Cute. Ay, Jana. Oh, pag ganyan tayo, dito tayo. Ito ang laki niya, oh.
Cumulus.
Hi.
Smile. Getting your picture taken.
Jupiter.
Looking at himself.
Hi, sleepy cats. Good dog. Good dog. Diyan ang tawag dito. Ano tawag siya? Sleepy one. Tawag siya. Hi, and tatatapag na pusa. Wakey, wakey! Parang natakot ako sa kanya. Ang laki. Ang laki ng mga pusa, oh. Parang mga ano siya, parang mandadamba. Daming pusa. Ayun o, puro pusa. Puro pusa yung mga nandito. Madami yan. Tanghali na lang ho kami. Late na kami. Diyan dito. May gusto ka na dyan. Ayan o, may gusto ka na dyan. Ito, cute din to ah. Ito.
Wait, dalawa sila.
Kailangan dalawa?
Yeah.
Why?
Naka-pair. Dulo.
Paregas na.
Ha? Talaga? Parang lovebirds din pala. Ayan. Ayan, laki niyan. Ang baba. Pag gusto mo na siya, ito siya. And they're very gusto mo na yan.
When I brought her in, she literally rubbed up against him, and she was going in, doing the weaving in between the legs. She did really well, which is surprising because she was in a room with kittens, so because she is protective of her kittens. She's really sweet. She actually has a dark spot on her shoulder, and she's got dark spots. So she's a calico. She is technically, I guess, a calico. But she's a really sweet cat. With him, like in a shop.
Is there any way I can meet Smiles?
Can you hold him? Fix his collar for me.
Try natin.
There's always going to be an adjustment period when they meet a new when they meet a new animal. So, I mean, you're going to get that with any cat, even kittens.
Yes! Finally!
Sorry, youngster, the milk bar is closed.
He was literally nursing just now. Sure, you want his baby too? Yeah, he'll nurse right. I like. You want to grab him out just really quick? Oh, he's grouper.
All right, Smiles.
Smile, Sisa!
Congratulations, kiddo.
Smile! I'm your new mom! Hi!
Got you, baby. Oh, you're so sleepy. Did you want the scissors? We're just gonna take the paper part.
Okay. Ah, si Gianna! Parang ako talaga yung Hi!
I got a bit.
Yeah.
You go, kid.
Yeah, we're good.
Okay. Watch your head, baby. Roll a bit. Watch your nose. Watch your nose.
To acclimate when you get
Okay. And then watch your tail, honey.
and if you can,
Bye, babies! Bye-bye!
And
You
then,
got your mom!
and then if you, since you have our emails and our websites and social, if you want to, feel free to send us pictures when she's happy at home. Okay.
Okay.
No. We take care of it for them. Okay.
Thank you so much! Thank you!
congratulations. Just let us know.
Okay, thank you so much. Yes. Yan, harap ka.
yung Conrel Emerald?
Yay! Kami sa bahay, kailangan nakatalas sa loob siya.
Bili pa tayo ng cakes ganyan. Yung lang yan sa garahe.
Ano mag-aalak? Ang sila ng mga ano. Okay.
Does your baby want a pet? Or not a pet? You got a pet. Does your baby want a toy? And here, put some stickers. Like it's on your door, so like if anything.
Thank you.
That's a cute sticker too.
Thank you. You too, thank you.
Parang dyan nga, dahan-dahan yan. Baka may magbigay pa dyan.
Oh, you wanna take her home? Wala ka pa pagka...
Yun ang sinasabi ko, ipakain mo kanin.
Uy, ito ng isda doon yung tinik.
Ako mo. Tama yan.
Ay, sardinas lang.